Guys, there is some people who are lazy. Those people, they don't want to work, especially when you have got a husband doesn't want to work. Guys, there is some men who doesn't want to work. You understand? They are lazy because, guys, most of the time when you are doing everything, maybe you are employed, you are doing everything to your man, you understand, you pay the bills or everything, just because, guys, you are helping your partner. Maybe you are helping your partner, but at end of the time you will become lazy because you do everything for him, you pay your bills, so he doesn't take his responsibility. Sometimes some of the men, they don't want to work. It's not about they are not finding a job, because some of the people can help him to get a job. That person can work 2 3 months, other month he can quit, that he doesn't want to work, just because he will tell you many reasons, just because he is very lazy. Guys, when you are helping your husband, you will take advantage sometimes. You understand? You becoming a lazy person just because you are paying all those bills, you are buying groceries, so he doesn't want to take his responsibility.